Hey, and welcome to Lucie. We are a one-stop shop for all of your content needs, and I want to explain how this all works. First stop, this is our conference room. We have Jaleesa and Tori in here, part of our team who will be working with your team. This is where we're talking about strategy. What are your goals and exactly what do you want to accomplish? Next stop, let's go into the brains of this organization. This is our newsroom. We have a team of digital marketers, a social media team. We have also right here, John and George working on a brand new website for one of our clients where they needed a logo, they needed a website, they needed social media help. Right over here, we built these editing suites. Take a peek inside one. We have Christopher Lawrence, who is working on an awesome video, also has a quick deadline. That's why we created this. We want to build that newsroom operation inside of your organization. Next stop, check it out. This is our latest and greatest addition. This is one of our podcast studios. We have Dylan Winterstein right here, ready to start recording your podcast. Quick interesting fact, in 2015, podcast revenue was $105 million. In 2025, it's expected to be more than $4 billion. So it's really smart for your organization, your nonprofit, your business to be in that space. People want to see behind the scenes. And speaking of behind the scenes, welcome to our big studio. This is a space where we can create some profile videos, commercials. We also do headshots in here. Whatever it is that you need when it comes to content, we can create it. And what's also awesome about this space, we have this big cyclorama wall or a cyc wall. So if your brand color is blue, we'll light it blue. So I have one question for you. What are you waiting for?